Have you ever looked around at your life and thought, why is everything falling apart? Where is God in all of this? Maybe you're in the middle of a storm right now, not a storm with thunder and rain, but a storm in your heart, your home or your mind. Your world feels out of control and you don't know what to do next. I want to tell you something powerful and simple. The storm doesn't mean God left you. In Mark 4:39, we see Jesus and his disciples on a boat when a terrible storm hits. The wind is strong, the waves are crashing, and the boat is nearly sinking. These are grown men, many of them fishermen, and yet they're terrified. In the middle of all that fear, Jesus is asleep. Yes, asleep. While the storm is raging, he is resting. So the disciples wake him up and say, "Teacher, don't you care if we drown?" Jesus stands up, looks at the storm and says, "Peace, be still." And immediately the wind dies down and the sea becomes completely calm. But here's what I want you to see. Jesus never left the boat. He was with them in the storm the whole time. That's how God is with us. He doesn't always stop the storm immediately, but he always stays in the boat. Maybe you've been praying, but the storm hasn't stopped. Maybe the healing hasn't come, the door hasn't opened, or the pain hasn't left. You've cried out and it feels like heaven is silent. But silence is not the same as absence. God is not gone. He's just not panicking. He's still in control even when everything feels out of control to you. Isaiah 43:2 reminds us of this truth. It says, "When you pass through the waters, I will be with you, and when you pass through the rivers, they will not sweep over you." God doesn't say if the storm comes, he says when. That means trouble will come, but so will his presence. Right now, your storm may be emotional pain, confusion, financial pressure, or a broken relationship. And maybe you've started to wonder if God forgot about you. I'm here to tell you that he hasn't forgotten you. He sees every tear, hears every prayer, and feels every weight on your shoulders. Just like he was with the disciples in that boat, he is with you now. You may not feel it, but he is holding you together in ways you can't even see. When Jesus is in your boat, the storm doesn't get the final word. He does, and he still has the power to say, "Peace, be still," to your heart. So, take a deep breath, don't give up. You are not going under, you are not alone, you are not forgotten. God is with you in the storm, and he will carry you through it. Type Amen if you receive this message, and if you know someone going through a storm, share this with them today. Let them know Jesus is still in the boat, always.